Here it is, all finished up. The 180% Dark Death Trooper. So, I love the way it turned out, but I will say I will never use lightning infill ever again. This thing feels so light and so cheap. I appreciate the saving of the filament, but this thing feels, I want to print it again more solid just because of the way it feels. I hate the way it feels. And then you got stuff like this. I don't need a drum. I want a skull. I want a skull, a solid skull, not a drum. Anyways, turned out great. The only issue is, if you can see inside here, this was pre-printed. Excuse me, pre-colored. Pre-printed, I would have never had to print it. So on there, I fixed that already on my 3MF, but it kind of bleeds into the helmet. So I was kind of upset after I seen that because, of course, I was in a hurry, didn't check the slicer, didn't check all the painting. But I touched up a couple other parts that I saw bleed over a little bit. So if I do print it again, the color should turn out a lot better. I think it looks great though. Like I said, the only thing I'm really upset about is the weight. And then another thing I'm upset about is the top. So I'm guessing to clean this up, I need to, when I get to the top, I guess I'm just gonna have to slow it down because you even get a different color because of the speed. So I'm just gonna have to make sure that I keep a uniform speed all the way through. So it's a couple things I need to improve on. So if I do print it again, hopefully it'll look a lot better than this one. Even though I really do enjoy this one. Like I said, the weight and then some of the coloring. So stuff to improve on, but like I said, I think it turned out really good and it's definitely going on the shelf.